Question number 2, PM Divine. PM Divine was recently mentioned in the news. It aims to. It comes under which ministry? Donor Development of Northeastern Region. Like I can say in 2017, 18 or 16, this type of question was appeared in the UPSC paper. They are giving the scheme name in the shorts and they're asking about this scheme is related to. So PM Divine is related to the development of the Northeast. It may be the infrastructural development, agricultural development, air connectivity development, completely focus on the development of the Northeast region of the India. So let's see the option. To assist the disabled person, no, it's not about the disabled person. So first is eliminated. To address the development gaps in the Northeastern region, yes, this is correct. To develop, then we can easily eliminate the statement number 3 and the 4. So some of the question in the paper you will find जहां पे आपको just एक idea होना चाहिए this is all about किसके बारे में है, then you can mark the answer there. Then the question number 3, प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण आवास योजना, recently the targeted year is updated to 2024. Okay, and so there are most of का doubt आपका यही रहा होगा कि housing for all was a target of 2022, but now the target is updated to 2024. Okay, so if I can come here, so its second statement is right, but you see the explanation, and there is also 2022, but now the target is 2024. It provides financial assistance to the houseless beneficiary identified using socio-economic caste census 2011 after the verification by the Gram Sabha. Confusion in the verification by the Gram Sabha may be here, but this is the aim and the objective of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So there are two types, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban and rural. तो दोनों के बारे में आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए. What is the aim? What is the objective? What is the completion here? Now the government is given 2024 because of the election. 2024 में बहुत सारे house दिए जाएंगे. ठीक है. Developing district has an export hub. If you see this paper also having the some 10-12 question related to schemes. With reference to the development district as an export hub. So first statement is saying under the initiative, product including agriculture products with export potential have been identified in the all districts across the country. This is a scheme where we are identifying some specific, like a one district, one products wala hai. The same concept is here. We are identifying some of the major products of the district, so we can promote it as an export of there. District Export Promotion Committee is formed, which is responsible for the preparing a district export action plan to promote exports. Yes, district export hub initiative specific to the specific districts. So there is a district export committee which will focus on their products. It's an initiative of the Ministry of Agriculture, Department of Foreign Trade. Department of Foreign Trade. किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आएगा? Ministry of Commerce. तो यहाँ पे DPIIT भी हो सकता है, तो उससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. Okay, so the third statement is incorrect here. 1 and 2. Egg mark net, network, market, agriculture. Here the statement is saying e-governance portal EggMarkNet is implemented by the National Informatics Centers. Okay. If you see all the government websites, I would like the nic.in, nic.in. So these are mostly managed by the NIC, National Informatics Center. It facilitates web-based information flow of the daily arrivals and the prices of the commodity in the agriculture produce market spread across the country. So जितना भी agriculture commodities है related to the anything related to agriculture, that will be the daily basis पे list होता रहता है. This is the prices there. The data transmitted from all the market is available on the EggMarkNet in the 5 regional languages. So इस तरीके की statement आएगी नहीं. It's a 8 regional languages में है, तो इस type की statements आएगी नहीं. But you need to know what the function of EggMarkNet, under which ministry it works, and क्या क्या काम होता है. So this is incorrect here. The information disseminated through the EggMarkNet portal also includes the research study, company involved in the contract farming. Yes, these are also the some of the information that are present on the AgMarkNet. Agriculture Market Network means the things related to the agriculture, either the research, either the selling or the pricing will be available on the AgMarkNet. Kisan Vikas Patra. It started by the post office in 1995, approximately the near about year. It's a saving certificate scheme launched by the National Bank. No, it's launched by the post office. Okay. Premature encashment of the Kisan Vikas Patra certificate is permissible. It's not permissible. Premature नहीं है. There is a time period. उसके बाद ही आप इसको निकाल सकते हैं. किसान विकास पत्र like पोस्ट ऑफिस बहुत न्यूज में है. Type of account in the post office न्यूज में है because the post payment banks and government is tie up with some of the financier, so they can starting developing a new product which can help in the financial inclusion. We discussed that topic also about the so जो schemes post office ने start की थी, so we need to know about those schemes as well. There are 3-4 schemes, 3-4 type of the account in the post office. So you need to know these are the type of the accounts. These are the small savings scheme which are started by the post office, and this is also a Kisan Vikas Patra is also started by the post office. नई रोशनी, ये सबको पता होगा. It's a Ministry of Minority Affairs. नई रोशनी schemes. नई रोशनी scheme is for the by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. So the one is incorrect. So the answer will be 2 and 3. So like if you see the 2016 paper, इस तरीके के बहुत question पूछे थे. It empower minority women by providing knowledge, tools, and techniques for interacting the government systems. It also include initiate to impact financial and the digital literacy. So it's focusing on both of them. So the answer will be 2 and 3 here. Ustad. And ये news में था क्योंकि recently the Kashmir is also started the Ustad. So the Ustad is also under the Ministry of Minority Affairs. ENAM. ये बहुत पुराना topic से शायद आएगा नहीं. So it create an online transparent competitive bidding systems to ensure farmer to get remunerative price for their produce. Dealing होता है farmers के बीच में. Provide free software assistance. Second is incorrect here. One is correct. So it's a 75 lakhs. Free software and assistant up to 75 lakhs. तो इतना close होता नहीं है. It's not कि 175 को 175 हो जाता है, but 75 to 100 नहीं होगा. Initially, there is also scheme. हमने discuss किया था related some scheme. There's 2 निपुण भारत. एक निपुण scheme, एक निपुण भारत scheme है. One is related to education, another related to the project. So similarly, there is smart initiative and smart project. So both are different things. Smart initiative for the Ayurveda. By the Ayurveda. So the answer will be B here, to boost scientific research in the priority healthcare and through the Ayurveda college and the hospitals.